What's up, Kasakai Kemcho? This is Kevin Wolf from Mumbai. I hope you all are doing great today and welcome back to another episode. And as you might have already looked at the title, this is gonna be my first unboxing and review episode. And what am I gonna unbox? I'm gonna unbox my first original Joby 3K tripod. Actually, I cannot just get over that I'm doing my first unboxing video. I wanted to do my first unboxing for my Canon 200D itself from the time I bought it, but I was very scared about what kind of detailing I will have to give in the review, what kind of stuff I'll have to speak, and what if I happen to be wrong with something I say. I was not confident. So today I said, शुरू करते हैं, छोटे से शुरू करते हैं, और फिर we'll see. So I'm pretty excited to do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and let's start this thing. So basically I bought this from Amazon. It's around, it costs around 4,096 bucks something. And the reason I bought this is because the tripod that I was using given by my lady love has actually got a little old and kind of paralyzed because it had only 2 ports. So it had only 2 ports and I said it's getting very difficult though. I worked with it for a year and I said it's time to upgrade to something better that will help me do better. As a lot of things are coming ahead, let me tell you, don't expect me to be a professional in this. I'm just gonna go with the flow and I'm gonna open this up because I've been waiting for the last 2.5 hours. It got delivered at 12 in the noon. I purchased this yesterday. Quick delivery, good service. Now let's see how the product actually looks like and I wanna feel this real good. You get me? The packaging is pretty impressive. To be very true, I saw a few reviews on YouTube. I saw a few reviews done before about the same product, you know, and when people were opening up the packages, I was like, it was not very good, you know. So I'm really happy to see that you know, the product feels new as of yet, and it feels like no one has touched it before it came to me in my hands. So let's see what the actual thing is inside. Okay, so while I'm opening this up for you, I'll want to share a few facts. Basically, they have 3K, 1K, 5K, depending on the kind of weight that it can hold on to. So this one has a capacity of 3 kgs at max at a time, which I feel is decent enough because I wanted something that is durable. Let's go ahead, let's see next. So yes, this is pretty impressive. Okay, I like the way they have factored it. It feels like for the first time when I bought my camera, it feels as beautiful as that. I'm very precise when I buy something new. I do not like it tampered. I do not like it looking very ugly, you know, because there are certain distributors who do that. They tamper the product before it comes to you. So satisfied as of yet. And I am confident right now that whatever comes out of this is going to be definitely value for money. I don't know, I have a feeling, you know. I purchased this yesterday in a haste actually. I was planning to do this for a while, but I said no, tomorrow is my Mumbai Darshan thing. My Valentine date, if you have, or I don't know if you will watch the video soon. Because I'm leaving in the morning at around 5 for town. So here is a basic to-do thing that comes along with this. On focus. Looks good. I'll read this later. Now what I get along with this. Okay. Here is my tripod. Here is my tripod. Here is my tripod. Yes, nice. So basically, this has got some kind of a ball thing with which you can kind of move. So, oh, this is nice. Basically, it has a mover kind of a thing up here. Apart from that, it helps stand still wherever you need it. So this is gonna be pretty helpful. For now, it's new, so it's a little stiff, but we'll get it done. So the best thing about these tripods is you can do anything. You know, you can set your angle at any point, hang it on a tree, maybe put it on your bike handle, which I'm gonna try tomorrow. Hopefully I don't drop my camera along with that. And this feels great. Okay, I don't know much of a detailing of this thing, but one last thing, I'm just trying to see how is that we can use the ball. So it has a ball ring thing, which I think is pretty, it's for a purpose. So yeah, this ball ring basically moves in, so I can kind of set my camera, you know, at any angle, which is gonna be pretty helpful for me, because it's gonna help me do a lot of stuff which I could not with my old tripod. But you don't forget old things with new. That's gonna be my backup as well. So just for your FYI, this was the tripod that I was using till date, which has taken all care of almost every video that I've done on my channel, and I really love this because this was a gift. Though it's broken, it did its job well. And this is the new thing that I've got. So as per size, if you look at it, you know, I'll try to do this. It has an advantage because it has a ball ring thing, and this ball ring thing can be taken off as well, you know. So it's absolutely okay. And plus it has this, which is a leveler. So this leveler basically helps you gauge your angle, or if the camera is still and straight. You know, right now, even right now, as I do this, I'm using my tripod, which I've lost a clamp for. So jugaad ke saath I put it on two hooks and I'm doing it. So this is gonna be a really helpful thing, and it sounds quality for money as of yet. Buy it on Amazon. I'll link the description below where I bought it from. I know I do not have a lot of tech savvy audience as of yet, or a lot of vlogging audience as of yet. Though I like it. It's a value for money. This is not paid advertisement, though I would love to get paid. Apart from this, if you would like to see me doing more reviews apart from movies and products, comment below. I would love to review different products, anything and everything on planet Earth. That's what Wolf 6 stand for, because you do not close yourself to a certain thing. So going ahead, I hope you enjoyed. Do take care, eat well, sleep well, love well. Good night. Happy Valentine's. This is Kevin Wolf once again. भूल गया उसका क्या कलम